So here we have a Vintage Coach Compartment Bag. The style number is 9850 in case you want to look it up online, and I believe this one is likely from the 80s, and it looks like the color is black, but it does have some fading in some areas, so I'll show you that here in a moment. Here is kind of a tour 360 of the bag. You can kind of see some fading. It almost looks more gray in this area. And here's the back. It's got a slip pocket. And here's the side. Again, the side has some fading on it. Here's the hang tag. And as you can see, it's got a brass turn lock here. Open it, and it's got this nice deep pocket. And it's got more fading down here. It's kind of weird. It's got like this line where it kind of starts to fade. It's not super obvious, but you can see it better in the light. So I'm not sure exactly why that would have happened. I don't think the bag was like dyed or anything, because the inside is this black color, so I think it's just fading, probably. Maybe it wasn't stored in the best way or something, and that caused it. Anyway, oh, it also, I should show you, it does have some wear that I haven't really seen before. The leather is a little bit worn down, like the texture, the surface. So I did condition this. It's not super obvious, but it probably was rubbing up against something when it was used. Maybe it was used for a lot of years and that happened. It also has some dryness on the corners here, which, like I mentioned in previous videos, is unfortunately pretty common if the bag got a lot of use. Yeah. That's most of the wear that I can think of off the top of my head. Here's the inside. There's a zipper pull. Here's another look at that pocket. It does kind of have a larger zipper pull too. That's interesting. Here's the creed. And the serial number, you can't see it very easily on camera. It's hard to pick up, but the area where they stamped the serial number is a little bit lower than I usually see, which is interesting. So if you do want to see that, I'll link the Etsy listing below, and you can see that crate if you wanted to, since it's not showing up on camera, or if you just wanted to look at this bag further, I'll link the listing below. Yeah, that's about it. I do have another one of these bags that is a nice navy blue in the shop as well. It's still available right now. So it's kind of cool. I think these bags are somewhat rare too, this style, because I haven't seen a ton of them. So it does have some wear, but you know, nothing super obvious. I think it could probably still get a lot of wear out of it. So hopefully somebody will snatch it up and enjoy it for some years to come. But anyway, thank you for watching. Take care.